Hi everybody, welcome to Shell Lectures. So today we are going to see something new, that is about a common spinach type in most of the houses, which is being a very common eatable, that is araikirai. Okay, so it has a lot of medicinal benefits and it is said to be the best kirai for kids, the best spinach for kids. It can be given to kids as an evening time snacks like spinach vada or some other beautiful, some other tasty and delicious recipes with this spinach can be given to kids. And its biological name is Amaranthus dubius. Okay, what is its biological name? Amaranthus dubius. Okay, so now let's know how to sow the seeds of this spinach type. Okay, so this video will be talking about that. So let us know how my mom sows the seeds in our terrace garden. So sows the seeds of araikirai, okay, the spinach type in our terrace garden. Yeah, let's get into the video now. So first of all, we must have the seeds mixed with some sand. Okay, some any kind of sand, we have to mix it and make a mixture of it, and then we have to just draw lines in the place where you wish to sow the seeds. You have to draw how many ever lines which you can to sow the seeds into those lines properly. Why is this so necessary? It's so necessary because while watering, we need not water it in a huge mass. As a huge mass, we should not water it by means of bucket or something, because spinaches are very tiny plants. They may get they may just fall if we are pouring water very forcefully, or if we are pouring large masses of water. So in order to making a watering process very easier, we are doing this. And after you make nearly how many soever lines which you can draw here, we have drawn three places in which the seeds can be sown, and then you have to sow the seeds straight away into the places where you have drawn the lines. Okay, just straight away. This actually reduces the actually makes a job of watering easier. Okay, because these plants are so tiny, as I told you earlier. And then after sowing the seeds like this, to just after this process, we should not like dig or something, then it may make the seed to come up. So we should not do that. We must just do a superficial rubbing to just hide the seeds into the soil. If we are going with some kind of digging or something, then it will be very harmful, as the seeds may come up. And then after this, the watering process. So the water process is very important, that we must only sprinkle the water. We must not pour the water in huge masses. Okay, we must just sprinkle the water like this. Here again, the same reason, that the seeds may tend to come up, or they may not germinate properly. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far. Like and share this video to whomever you know. Thank you.